Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at what inventory performance graphs are on Keepsales. Now inventory performance graphs helps us monitor our inventory statistics. So over there are two main graphs which are going to be of great importance to us. And then the first is inventory retail value performance. And then the second is inventory cost performance. So at a glance, we are able to know our inventory retail value for a certain period of time and also our inventory cost performance. As and when we make updates to our inventory, they are reflected in the stats. So usually this is not your typical sales performance because it gives you just the overall picture of your inventory in terms of its overall retail value. That is, if every item in the shop is sold out, and also the cost involved in purchasing all the items in your shop. Okay, so to access your inventory performance graph, this is basically what you have to do. You just go to the main menu, you click on stock, and then under stock, when you scroll down, you see inventory snapshot. Okay, so when you click on inventory snapshot, it brings you here. Now I have a video on inventory snapshot and what it is. So you can go check out those videos as well. Okay, so now when you come here, okay, to the top right, okay, close to the new inventory snapshot button, you see inventory performance graph. So let's click on that. Okay, so when we click on that, it brings us over here to our chart. Okay, so like I said, there are two main charts that are displayed over here for us. First, you see your inventory retail value performance for the year 2021. And then over here, you see your inventory cost performance for the year 2021 as well. Okay, so one of the things you can do is, because it is for the year by default, you can actually choose an interval, okay, where you are able to. So let's just say you want to see your inventory retail value performance or your inventory performance graphs for the past 3 months or for the past 1 week. This is where you come to. Okay, so let's just say we decide to choose from, let's say, the beginning of this year, which is January 1st, and then we make the end date, let's say, this year. Okay, so when we apply filter, okay, so we are able to at a glance see how our retail I mean how our inventory performance has been. Sorry, not our retail. What I mean is how our inventory performances have been. Okay, so over here for the past from the 1st of January to April, okay, we are able to see that, okay, for this particular period, okay, this is how well we've been doing. Okay, this is the value, okay, that we've had. Okay, when you move your mouse to the point, it actually gives you the exact figures, okay, as you can see over here. And then you're also able to know your inventory retail cost. Okay, so when you scroll down, you're also able to see your inventory size performances and then your unique items performance. Okay, so over here, for a particular period of time, you are able to monitor the health of your inventory. Okay, so as and when you do inventory update, okay, you are able to tell, my inventory retail value, how has it been doing? Have I been making more in terms of inventory retail value? Okay, the cost involved in my inventory, how have they been? Am I actually buying more, or am I actually spending less? Okay, and then actually achieving more. Okay, so all these you are able to ascertain, okay, by just having a quick glance, okay, at how your inventory is performing. Okay, you need to be able to find out how well your inventory is doing, because then if your inventory is healthy, then it also leads to a healthy sales performance as well. Okay, so this is how you check your inventory performance graphs. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. There are more of these videos available, so do want to check them all out. I'll see you in our next video. So have a great time and bye bye.